Hi, the idea of this video was because at the beginning of the year when S24 Ultra was released, I just recorded a video where I was skiing down the slope and I was trying to record 4K 60 FPS again with S24 Ultra but with iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it was a complete disaster for iPhone 15 Pro Max because the microphone there was just awful. The quality was very bad. You can see that video somewhere here, and the problem was let me just show you that view. And the problem was because when I was skiing down the slope, it was very windy, and just the iPhone 15 Pro Max microphones can't handle that wind noise, and it just can't isolate my voice. It was just awful. But this year Apple released iPhone 16 Pro Max and they put a new 4 microphones system, and now they claim they have like a studio quality microphones on their iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is exactly what we will test today. The microphone quality. Of course we will test the 4K 60 FPS video capabilities, because you can see everything here. We can test also the HDRs, the video quality and everything. What I will do today, I will test both front and back cameras with the microphone quality. Of course I will test without that studio quality enable and with studio enable. So now this is without anything enabled, just the stock settings, and just on S24 Ultra zoom in mic is enabled because I think this is the way to sound better. And what I will do, I will now start riding my mountain bike here up on that road, and that will generate more noise because of the wind. And after that I will go downhill because this will generate a lot more noise, and we will try to isolate my voice here with my mountain bike. You can see it. And now I will start riding it. Okay guys, now I'm recording 4K 60 FPS riding my bike uphill, and it start getting noisy when I'm riding. I will try to ride it faster, but I'm going uphill, and the idea is to test the microphone. Can it record my voice? Can it isolate it? Or S24 Ultra is still better? Let me show you the front view. By the way, I'm recording using the back main cameras, 4K 60 FPS of course. Okay, and in that way, with one hand I'm holding the phones and they are directly blowing by the wind. And what I will do now, this is a normal situation. Now I will switch to studio. We can test the microphone quality of iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now I'm speaking with studio enabled. I hope this is better than the S24 Ultra, and Apple are doing better job this year with these 4 microphones on the 16 Pro Max. But we'll see that at the end. By the way, we are testing also the video capabilities because we are going from sun to shadow, and this will blow the HDR. Okay guys, now I'm going very fast downhill, and it's a lot more windier and noisier, and I can't even hear my voice. Switch between studio on and off on the iPhone 16 Pro Max just to test it. Now I'm stop pedaling and my free hop is very loud. This is additional noise which I'm not sure the devices can't handle, but let's test it. And again the phones are in front of me, and then they are directly blocking the wind. so all the wind noise is going directly to the phones and my voice is behind them, so conditions are very harsh. But again, let's test those microphones. I will speak all the time because other way the iPhone will start isolating the surrounding noises, not my voice, but the idea is just to test it, how it can handle my voice, and also in that way I'm holding the devices on a stand with one hand, and in that way we can test the stabilization of both devices too, because we are going downhill and it is just, you can see, up and down, and I think this is enough. So I will stop now the video and we'll go to the front cameras. Guys, now we are recording again 4K 60 FPS with both devices using the front cameras, because both are capable to record 4K 60 FPS with the front cameras. And I'm riding uphill now. As you can see, we have some generated noise already. Let's just stop spinning. You can hear my free hub, but you can see me pedaling here and stop pedaling. Okay, this is easier for me because I can see what's really happened. Other way, when I'm going downhill with back main cameras, I can't see what happened on the viewfinder, but in this way it's easier for me. So, do that studio microphone quality really matters on the iPhone 16 Pro Max or no? Just let me know down in the comments. Now we are going downhill and it's a lot more windier and noisier, of course. I will just stop spinning for additional noise. Can you hear me or you can't? Just we check that at the end of the video. Again, I will switch between studio and standard mode of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The idea of the video again is to test these four microphones quality. Do they matter? Do they matter or no? Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.